We've all heard the phrase, don't judge a book by its cover. Now, this is a book you can judge by the cover. It's a very good book. Highly recommend it. But people are actually going to do that with your learning. When they take your course, they're going to look at the content of the course. They're going to look at the color, the layout, the design, the fonts that you're using, and especially images. And if you don't have a professional execution on your learning, it's going to slight people's judgment, regardless of the quality of the content. Hi, my name is Phil Cowcill. I'm going to be teaching a Photoshop workshop at the Adobe Learning Summit this spring. I'm hoping you can join me. This is a hands-on course, and we're going to dive into some of the really neat things you can do with Photoshop to make your images better. It doesn't matter if the pictures came from a cell phone or if they're professionally shot on an SLR camera. We're going to also look at some of the hidden features, such as 3D objects that you can render inside of Photoshop, and also on how you can compile several images together to make a unique image. And the neat thing is, anyone that attends this workshop is also going to get a hands-on booklet that they can take with them. So when you go back to your home or work desk, you'll be able to practice what we've done in the class, so you're not going to forget these. And there's some tips and tricks that we're going to do in this workshop that are really going to set you apart from what other people are doing. So I hope you can join me, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.